what is it? Yes. Yes.
The court today said
Yes.
that the FCT has no special status. As the minister of the FCT, what do you have to tell me?
Maybe you did not understand what he said. FCT has no special status. What he said that in terms of calculating or having the special score, you must not win FCT before you are declared president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That FCT is like another state. So that you don't need to say, oh, if you don't win FCT, therefore you cannot be declared. That's what he said.
So you must start with the APC crew. Can we say that you have moved to the APC?
I didn't come with APC crew. And in the court here, in the court here, I don't know where they said APC and PDP. I came here as somebody who's interested, as somebody who wants the country to move forward. So I congratulate Mr. President, and I think that this has come to the end. No more speculation. As well, Mr. President can focus and do what he's supposed to do for Nigerians. Thank you.
Thank you.
I just want to Chairman.
Election litigation and the delay seems to constitute election litigation and the delay seems to constitute distraction. Will you be moving for some form of amendments?
Well, you see,
what is your advice to your opponents?
well, you see, this is a developing democracy in a developing nation, so you expect such distractions to occur. But I believe we fine-tune our laws, especially electoral laws, and and we believe we shall come to the matured stage that we are expecting. Pertaining to acceptance of this verdict, I urge our colleagues, politicians, to accept it in good faith. And also I have to use the opportunity to congratulate politicians, to congratulate the leaders of the opposition political parties, because it is better for them to resort to judiciary, which they have done so, rather than taking, arms against against each other.
Yeah.
So we have to congratulate our politicians for resorting to judiciary, and the judiciary has done well. It means that democracy is getting matured in Nigeria, and we are happy with that.
Many thanks, sir. Thank you.